Okay guys, welcome back in another video. So in today's video I will show you how to clean up your carpets in the car. Okay guys, this is the state of the carpet. As you can see, it's not too bad, but it's not too good either. As you can see here, it has some really hard debris over there. Here it has a stain, but in order to get it out you will need to use an extractor. In today's video I won't do that. I will just focus on this hard debris over there. But if you want me to show you how to use an extractor on the carpets and how to get this stain out, please comment down below and I will do that video too. So in order to clean this carpet, we firstly need to dry vacuum it. And just by dry vacuuming it, you can see how much the difference that made. Now the carpet still isn't perfect. So here it has some really stuck debris over there, and we will be getting this out with the drill gun. But firstly we need to wetten a carpet just a little bit. Now we take our drill gun and just go through the carpet one time. When this is done, we can vacuum it again. Now guys, after all of these steps, the carpet should look something like this. To really get that deep clean of a carpet, you will need to have an extractor. Now for the finished process, I like to do carpet lines. Now for carpet lines, I use this tool here. It's a pet hair remover, but it also does a great carpet line, so I use it for that. So how you do the carpet lines? You just drag this along the carpet, you put a little bit pressure on it, and just be careful that the carpet is still a little bit wet, or at least it has some moisture in it, because if you do this on the dry carpet, it's actually not too good for the carpet. And guys, by that I don't mean that the carpet is still wet or it's soaking wet. It needs to be just a little bit moistured. You can do them like this, or like this, or like this. It really doesn't matter. The more precise you are with the lines, the more beautiful will carpet look at the end. And this is how my carpet looks after I am done cleaning it. As you can see, it's pretty nice. Now, like I said before, if you want to have that deep clean of a carpet, you will need to have an extractor. Let's say here, if you can see it, it's a little kind of stain, and in order to get it out, we will need to use an extractor. In today's video, like I said, I won't do that. But yeah guys, this is the finished result. To me it seems pretty nice, and it's ready to go in the car. So yeah guys, that is how you clean your carpet. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please share, subscribe and like it. It would help me a lot. So yeah guys, now go clean your carpet, and thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in another one. Bye.